Here's how to rename a Claude AI chat. Go to Claude AI and log into your account. Then, open the chat you want to rename. Click on the chat name and select Rename. Here I'll remove Landmark Desegregation Case, then hit Save. Congratulations! Now you know how to rename a Claude AI chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. For more useful Claude AI tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Claude AI tutorials. I'll see you there.